What do you hear, right?
The river flowing there.
The river flowing loudly, 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 loudly. And the piece of the, what is in the other side?
Bushes.
No,
Stone.
lake.
Oh wait, that's the lake.
Quiet and loud. River, river.
Ari's in nature, people. Enjoying nature, doing his little walk. See that beautiful river down there? There we go, through here. Any fish, Ari? Hold up, Ari. Let's see. You think there's any fish, Ari, down there? You don't see nothing, huh? So yeah, that's gotta be where some of the, so it comes through here. Let me see. Oh yeah, they cleared a path here. Oh, see, there's a little place here you could go down, Ari. They open it and close it. There's a thing, they pull it so water comes in. Right there. You could open it so water goes in, but see, they put like a little wood. If you take that off, a lot of water will go in there. There's a little walkway here, people. See, with Bishan. And it takes you right to the river. So they made this. See, people made some rocks right there. See, right there is nice and deep. It's beautiful. Since Ari's doing his thing, enjoying the water. Oh, he almost lost his cane. Ari almost lost his cane, people. Ari, how you enjoy that beautiful sound of water? Look at that, crystal clear.
Pretty cool. I'm gonna wash my cane. I'm gonna wash my cane.
It's just wet. Why, it got sand now, huh?
Yes. It got sandy.
All right, Ari. So Ari chilling, went on the boat, little nature walk. You know how he does his thing. You know, YouTube? And now I wonder what's next, YouTube. Let's put Ari with the background. Turn around, buddy. Turn around and stay right there. Stay right there. Look at how beautiful. You could take a picture. Look at that. Look at that.
Pick your face up.
Mr. Bolichano. So we'll check you out, YouTube. Don't want to make the video too long of Ari enjoying himself out here in nature.
And then now I'm gonna, I believe I'm gonna swim in the pool next.
And he's gonna go to the pool. I don't know if we're gonna add the pool swimming. We'll see how it goes.
And in my channel, I'll check it out on my iPad, see how it sounded, and see how it looked. And if it's nice, you know what I mean.
All right, later, people.
Later, people.